While we wait for this northeast trough system to form off the northeast coast there's currently a cloud band beginning to stream in from the Northern Territory into central Queensland, which is a good little precursory signal for the upper trough component that we've been talking about over the last week or two. And the models still show this trough forming in the Coral Sea. So both features are beginning to emerge. Computer models are still highly variable. The latest EC and to some extent GFS is now showing some rain building along the east coast, which is what we've been hoping for. So that's good news. But while we wait for physical conditions to develop and some actual confirmation from computer models, I'll be spending some time today and into the end of the week and next week working on some new long-range forecasts. So the next long-range forecast will be for September. September, there's a good signal around mid-month, but there's a bit of a caveat with that, and that'll be how this oceanic pattern, the ENSO pattern, develops, obviously the Pacific Ocean. I'm still leaning towards a drier shift to the end of 2025 for the east. We're seeing a lot of dry anomalies through the interior of New South Wales. This has been progressing east from Western Australia through South Australia into the eastern states. So just be mindful of long-range computer models, climate models showing really wet months ahead into December. There's a problem with that. We're going to have a wet June, and that may bolster these models to assume that there's more rainfall ahead of June than what actually is. So pay attention to what's actually going on the ground. And if you talk to the farmers and look through the comments on a lot of my posts, you'll see that inland, especially in the southeast inland, very dry still. So there's a good signs there of this natural progression of this dry period. So outside the odd rain event, generally drier still for the next half of the year. June's our next best rain. September, possibly a good rain period. But again, we've got to be mindful of how ENSO builds. So stay tuned. I'll post something later this afternoon.